man, a big moment here for Bitcoin breaking through a very important level. What does this mean for altcoins? What does it mean for the market? We're seeing meme coins moving. We're seeing altcoins in the green. Are we back on now? I'm going to break that down and a lot more. If you appreciate these updates, smash up the likes. Do not forget to subscribe. First and foremost, guys, you know this red line here has been very tough work for Bitcoin. Rejected here, struggled again this time after faking out, struggling for a little bit over the last couple of days. But a big, powerful move today sees us breaking out of this pattern. What this pattern now means is we're entering the final echelons, the final moments here of this big multi-month consolidation. Remember, this is the consolidation we're waiting for. This is the consolidation which gives you a measured move of up to $100,000 on Bitcoin. Not just because we're shouting out numbers, but finally a move, a consolidation move that deserves that price target. If we go back in the time of crypto, never have we actually had a target that you could, sensibly, without being a moon boy, say Bitcoin's going to get to $100,000. Now you can. The previous time when we head up here to 64,000, blow off top, straight back down to 29. This time when we hit 69,000 later on in 2021, we didn't spend much time there. Down we went all the way down to 15,500. This time has been different. This has been a multi-month consolidation at high levels, on relatively high levels here for Bitcoin, proving that this is a level where we're creating scaffolding. We're creating almost like a price floor here on Bitcoin. So you know what? Bears, you can't push us much lower than this consolidation pattern. You couldn't even break us down from this consolidation pattern to go back down to 45 or 30 or retest some of those key battlegrounds for Bitcoin. Now we're starting to spend time at the top of this consolidation, which is a really good sign here for crypto. Now, interestingly, this move is kind of being led by some of the excitement around meme coins. If you look at some of the move that's going on, some of it's related to, some of the market participants getting excited around China maybe increasing stimulus again. Remember, the US is now in their cutting cycle. Will China increase global liquidity as well? This whole game of crypto is a function of global liquidity. Let's keep things simple here, right? Crypto does well when there's more money in the system, full stop. And I keep reminding you guys of this. If you look at the total market cap, this is all the dollars in crypto, right? All the dollars, if you added them up in crypto, that's what this chart you're looking at represents. This has been as high as 3 trillion in the previous cycle up to in November 2021 when Bitcoin hit 69,000. Ever since, again, same pattern that Bitcoin was showing, a consolidation, a multi-month consolidation here on the total market cap, which means that the amount of money in crypto has been above 1.8 trillion for a very long time now, since March, right? It's been above 1.8 trillion. In other words, roughly $2 trillion of crypto has been in crypto for at least most of this year, which is a really good sign because last time when we were at these levels, 2 trillion was only ever in crypto in fleeting moments when the FOMO was high, when everybody was really excited about it. That was when you would see the peaks here where total market cap even went as high as 3 trillion. So we're starting to see a different maturity in this market. I think that's the main thing I'm seeing here in the charts is that, not all price points are created similarly. Bitcoin at 65,000 right now is not the same beast it was when it was at 64,000 in early 2021. You cannot compare it. From a price perspective, you're like, what? It's not moved. But that asset class you're describing there, and I was in the market there, that asset class you're describing there at this point in the market, April of 2021, is not the same asset class you are looking at now in the period where I'm here, October of 2024. No, it's not the same. Fundamentally not. The price is the same, the asset class is not the same. At this point, you're at the peak of a bull market. FOMO, loads of money flowing in, people getting greedy. They've seen Bitcoin rise from super low prices all the way up to 64 and they're FOMOing in. This is the opposite. This is a downward consolidation down towards 65. This is 65 with the fear and greed index not super greedy like it was here, but in a calm position. If anything, somewhat fearful at times, if not neutral. So this is a real good price floor for Bitcoin, which now enables us to use it as a springboard. Ultimately, that's what we need. We need to use it as a springboard to head on to higher levels here on Bitcoin. That is what we want to see. If we can see that, we're going to see all coins move in unison. And today, 4% move on Bitcoin. And as you can expect, we're starting to see all coins show some signs, right? You've got Wildcoin up 12%. Phantom, which you guys know, we follow a lot here on this channel. I make a lot of content around Phantom. A big 12% day. Why are we surprised? The last video I posted was about Phantom. And I said, this is a coin that moves disproportionately to Bitcoin, right? If Bitcoin has a slightly positive day, Phantom goes crazy. If Bitcoin has a slightly bad day, it goes down. It's got high volatility. If you haven't got the stomach for it, stay out of these type of coins. But really strong move here on Phantom, and you want to see it go from strength to strength here to start working its way back towards $1.22. You can also see other coins moving nicely here, including Chainlink up 3.3%, Polkadot, some of the old guards moving 3.9%. But of course, the real excitement is coming in meme coins, right? Bonk, you can see here, up 7.5%. Meme coin moving 6%. Floki moving 9%. Slurf moving 11%. We're seeing a lot of movement in the Solana meme coins, as Solana's transactions are really starting to hit some records now. And again, it's partially because of the meme coins. Ecosystems which have a good meme ecosystem, you're seeing a lot of transactions, you're seeing a lot of fees, you're seeing a lot of stuff going on those blockchains which are embracing the meme ecosystem. If you're part of crypto, you've got to actually learn to live with meme coins. You can't, I see some of these, Bitcoin maximalists who, anytime they hear the word meme coin, they kind of want to vomit. I'm like, guys, you need to embrace meme coins. You got to understand that meme coins fundamentally do stuff which is good, right? They've managed to figure out social community. And that can't be said for a lot of great tech layer one solutions. So let's not knock meme coins. Let's learn what is it that meme coins are doing really well. Try to marry that up with good, amazing, innovative tech. And that's how you're going to get the best projects in crypto. That's fundamentally how you're going to do it. It's going to be when you capture the imagination with great social community, plus actually have amazing tech that changes and improves people's lives. Those are going to be the best cryptos to invest in. And those that could do both are going to win. Nobody cares if you've got amazing tech. If you're boring, you can't communicate it, nobody knows you exist. And equally, these meme coins have limited shelf life if they don't have utility. You've got to be able to mix the two, and that's what you're looking for here in crypto. So, coming back into Bitcoin, really, really strong pattern here. Let's bring out the EMA ribbon so you guys can see it, but it's looking really good. Riding this EMA ribbon, setting itself up nicely for an attack. We've got to create a higher high, guys. Let's not beat around the bush here. We are still in a consolidation pattern. We've not broken out of this green line. No, we got rejected plenty of times along this green line, but it's a good sign that we've broken through this kind of resistance level. And now, over the next kind of couple of weeks, let's try break this. Let's break this. Let's get a higher high. Remember, the high is at the peak there, just shy of 74,000. There's going to be a lot of resistance at 70,000. That's a psychological level. That's a level where a lot of the people shorting Bitcoin are sitting. That's going to be a key level to break. Bitcoin's got to now use this 65,000 level mark as a platform to go and mount attacks. Maybe it takes 2 or 3 attacks, but go mount attacks at 70,000 and eliminate that target. That's what we need to see here on Bitcoin. Let's zoom down to the daily chart as well, just to bring out the EMA ribbon, and you can see exactly what's going here on the shorter time frame, which is a good bounce from the EMA ribbon, reclaiming this, but it might want to retest, okay? So it may want to come down, retest. It's really important we can break that peak there. That peak there, we want to go higher than that, okay? So you want to see us do something like this, and then get a higher high. That's going to stand us in good stead for breaking out of this pattern. So hopefully you enjoyed this update, guys. If you found this useful, don't forget to smash up the likes. Don't forget to subscribe. If you actively want to trade with me, I'm dropping my exact trades in Telegram. I've done so for over a year. Name me one other crypto trader that's sharing every single trade of theirs for over a year. I only do long trades. I only do spot trades, right? Because I've got 2 hands by my back, but I still deliver 292% in September. Show me somebody who's producing those results. It's all in the Telegram. Link is in the description. It's free for you to join our public Telegram group. It's the first link in the description. I want to see as many of you guys in there as possible. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.